Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you all are? I hope you all are very much fine and great. So, have you checked out my new video which I have just uploaded day before yesterday? So, it was an amazing topic, that is a difference between an entrepreneur and a professional manager. I think you must be liking that video because these topics are in current trend. So, I've just made that. So today I have just bring a new video for you all that's on the topic of a brief description of business law. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the most latest update of my videos. And make the maximum shares of my videos so that the person who are needed of the professional topics can get the clear explanation of each topic, because I will bring many more related information and interesting topic for you all. So before that, let's start the video. Okay, so my today's topic is business law. Here, I just want to know that first of all, I just want to tell you all that what is law. Actually, law it is the rule made by the authority for the regulation of the community or society, not only for the community or society but for the correct conduction of life. If we talk about the business law, then business law is that type of branch which deal with the business activities, with the trade, commerce and so on. In a simple word, it is also involved in the procurement of raw materials, manufacturing, agents, sales, etc. For example, if I take example or a case study for the business law, then there is a one truck driver who has bought their truck full of green onions from Delhi to Nagpur. And in the remote area, his truck got damaged. The main part of his truck got damaged. And as you know that green onion is a perishable item and it can't be stored for a long time. So he has a right to sell his green onion over there only, just because there is something better than nothing, right? So this is the case according to the business law, that if you have having a perishable item and if you got stuck in any of the area where you can't even back or provide your supply at the time, then you have a right to sell your products over there only. If we talk about the sources of business law, then there are so many. The first is English mercantile law, custom, judge of the court, or constitution. Now let's move on towards the contract. Indian contract. So what is the Indian Contract Act? Indian Contract Act comes into existence in 1st September 1872 with the 266 sections excluding Jammu and Kashmir. Contract deals that how the contract has been prepared, what are the responsibilities of the parties who are taking the contract, and what are the remedies if we breach the contract. For example, if we buy a movie ticket or any of the ticket, then it is a contract. If we take example of breaching of a contract, then I just take up one case study want to share with you all, that of Dabur. A boy purchased a Hajmola packet of 1 rupees from Dabur, and it was printed on that there is a 6 Hajmola tablets in it. But when he opened the that wrapper, he saw that there is only 5 tablets. So he filed a case against Dabur, and Dabur has to pay 500 remedies to the grief parties. This is the breach of contract. Now, if we tell you more about what is contract. So contract, it is an agreement enforceable by law which deals on two things, that is the agreement and the enforceability by law or the legal obligation. So what is agreement? Every promise or every set of promises that is forming constitution for each parties is known as agreement. But before that, let me tell you what is promise means. Any proposal which comes to an acceptance is known as promise. An agreement is one of the appealed proposal. For example, there is an agreement between A and B. A said that he want to sell his scooty for 15,000 and B ready to purchase its scooty at 15,000. Then this is an agreement between both the parties. If we talk about the enforceability by law or legal obligation, then what does it means? Agreement, when became a contract, it should be legalized by the legal obligation, or it should be enforceable by law. Incapable of by law, the agreement cannot be become a contract. I will take a one case study over here also. There is a one rice supplier who supply rice from Delhi. Delhi, you can say from Delhi to Azamgarh. Then rice supply has to supply his rice on 15th of October. But he was late and he supplied 17th. Then the receiver of the rice just denied that he will not pay the amount for the rice and will not accept the rice because he want the rice on 15. So the supply of the rice cannot file the case against the receiver of the rice just because he was late at his transportation. And I will also tell you that what are the things which is not enforceable by law. For example, if A said to B that let's walk together or let's have a dining together, and if A or B denied, then this is not a breaching of a contract or the enforceability by law, because this is not created by the legal obligation. Another example for enforceable by law is if A wants to sell his property at 2 lakh to B and B wants to purchase it, then it is a legal obligation because the property is legalized by the law. So I just came my topic to an end, and if you have any of the query relating to this topic, then do in a comment section and tell me that what are your queries, and I will definitely solve it. I will definitely try to answer each of the comment. So now let's tune with my channel so that you can get the most amazing these type of professional topics over here. So goodbye, have a nice day and take care guys.